How to create a WhatsApp channel. Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to create a WhatsApp channel. This feature allows you to broadcast messages to a large group of subscribers without creating a group chat. Let's get started. First, open the WhatsApp application on your phone. In the bottom right corner, tap on the settings icon to open the settings menu. Then, tap on broadcast lists. This is where you can manage and create your broadcast lists. So tap on new list. Then select the contacts you want to add to your broadcast list. You can choose as many contacts as you want. Once you've selected your contacts, tap on create. Now that your broadcast list is created, you can send a message to all the contacts in the list. So type your message and hit send. All the contacts in the list will receive the message as a normal chat, and their replies will come back to you privately. And that's it. You've successfully created a WhatsApp channel using the broadcast feature. This is a great way to send updates and announcements to multiple people without creating a group chat. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.